A good garden needs healthy soil. The soil is the very foundation upon which your garden will thrive. Without rich, nutrient-dense soil, your plants will struggle to grow and flourish. This is where your plants will get their nutrients. The roots of your plants absorb essential minerals and water from the soil, which are crucial for their growth and development. Start by choosing a sunny spot for your garden. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day to perform photosynthesis effectively. Loosen the soil with a shovel or garden fork. This process aerates the soil, allowing air, water, and nutrients to penetrate more deeply and reach the plant roots. This helps the roots grow strong. Strong roots anchor the plants firmly in the ground and enable them to access the nutrients they need. Add compost or fertilizer to the soil. Compost enriches the soil with organic matter, while fertilizers provide specific nutrients that might be lacking. This gives your plants extra food. Regular feeding ensures that your plants have a steady supply of the nutrients they need to grow healthy and produce bountiful yields. Use a rake to make the surface of the soil level. A level surface ensures even water distribution and makes planting easier. Now your garden bed is ready. With these foundational steps, you have set the stage for a thriving garden that will bring you joy and a bountiful harvest. Planting seeds is exciting. It's the beginning of a journey that connects us with nature and the cycle of life. It's like starting a tiny adventure. Each seed holds the potential to grow into something beautiful and nourishing. Read the seed packet carefully. It tells you how deep to plant and how far apart. This information is crucial for giving your seeds the best chance to thrive. Use your finger or a stick to make rows or holes in the soil. The spacing and depth are important to ensure each seed has enough room to grow. Plant the seeds according to the instructions on the packet. Make sure to follow the guidelines for each type of seed, as different plants have different needs. Some seeds need light to germinate, so don't bury them too deep. Light is essential for the germination process of certain seeds. Cover the seeds with soil and water them gently. Watering is crucial at this stage to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Now we wait for the magic to happen. Patience is key as we watch the seeds sprout and grow into plants. This process can take days or even weeks, but the reward is worth the wait. Sometimes it's easier to start plants indoors. This method allows you to control the environment, ensuring the seeds get the right amount of warmth, light, and moisture they need to germinate successfully. You can use seed trays or small pots. These containers are perfect for starting seeds because they provide enough space for the roots to grow while keeping the seedlings manageable. Once the seedlings are big enough, they need a new home outside. This usually happens when the seedlings have developed a few sets of true leaves and are strong enough to handle the outdoor conditions. Dig holes in your prepared garden bed. Make sure the soil is well tilled and free of weeds to give your plants the best start. The holes should be slightly bigger than the seedling's root ball. This extra space allows the roots to spread out and establish themselves more easily. Carefully remove the seedlings from their containers. Handle them by the leaves rather than the stems to avoid damaging the delicate plants. Plant the seedlings at the same depth they were in their containers. This helps them adjust to their new environment without too much stress. Gently fill the hole with soil and water well. Watering helps settle the soil around the roots and provides the moisture the plants need to start growing in their new location. Keep the soil moist but not too wet. Water your garden regularly, especially during dry periods. Add a layer of mulch around your plants. Mulch helps keep the soil moist and prevents weeds. Watch your garden grow. It's so rewarding to see your hard work pay off. Enjoy the fresh air, the sunshine, and the fruits and vegetables of your labor.